Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Lego gun. So if you haven't already made one, make one. Put it on right just like that. Find a piece kind of like this that can it's only four pieces, just like that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces, and then you're going to want to put that piece. Okay, so you're going to want to put that piece on one of these. And then you're gonna want to get another one. Put it right there. So then it's connected. So it looks like a little. It's so funny. And then you're gonna want to find a piece like that. Put it right here. Find a piece just like that. That's on 12 pieces. Put it like just like this. See? When I find another one, doesn't matter what color, just like this. Then you're gonna want to get a piece, like build one. Here, I'll teach you guys how to build it. Crap. This is. Oh crap. Fart. Oh, I got it. Oh. Okay. So then you're gonna want to find pieces, kind of like this, but like this. You can find like pieces just like this, but make it. And then you're gonna want to grab a piece just like this. Put one on. Get another one. Put it on. Get another, the fourth one, last one, and then get it. And then you have this frame. You have the frame. Then you're gonna find a piece just like that. Like another piece, 2 pieces of this, so one can go right there on the light piece thingy. You guys can make it any color. Then you're gonna want to put it right here. And then you have kind of like a scope, like, but that is not a scope. It goes right here. And then you're gonna want to grab a handle. Like this. See? Like this. Then you have your outline. Then you're going to want to find pieces just like this. 4 pieces like this. Put it on just like that. Find another one just like that. And then you have the trigger. I'm just good at making these. I'm going to find a piece like this, but not just like this. You're going to want to put it, you can't put, so you got to put it just like that. Find 2 pieces, 2 6 pieces. Put it on just like that. No pieces go right there. Okay, so then that's where the, this comes in. See? Pocket pistol. Yeah. There's Ray Ray's watching something on YouTube called. She just saw it. So then you have the outline, but one more thing, guys. Find a piece just like this, 3 pieces like this. So you gotta put it there, here, and here, right there. See, that's how the first layer looks. It doesn't just go right there. Well, it does. You just gotta find pieces like that. Whoops. I made a mistake. Yeah. I made a mistake on how I want my gun. So this is how I want my gun. Both grays. And then, yep. So I still have my outline. See, it's supposed to be like that. Find a piece kind of like this. just like that. Or, no, wrong. Where is, oh, here's the piece. Yeah, I had to take these pieces out. So then you're going to want to find a piece kind of like that. Like this. Find more pieces like this. I know, I'm sorry. So many steps. See, put them like that. Then we're going to want to find kind of pieces just like this, but not the same color. If you want the same color, you can get the same colors. Okay, mind being in the video?
Okay.
That's rare.
Because I am a part of the YouTube channel, kinda.
No balls in the house. Oh, I need those. You can't,
That
yeah.
was weird how you said that.
No balls in the house. Like that.
Yes.
I know. Then we want to put that yellow piece right there. See, I want mine matching, just like this. And then put the bottom that on to the gun, and then that's how you can. And that's how the gun's made. And then the one more piece. But Rick, can you bring me that box over there? It has more Legos. I'm gonna build something because the video's only been 6 minutes. It's a very short video.
Oh, can I help build something?
Next video.
Okay.
Next video.
Maybe because I do build a lot with you too.
Yeah, you actually do build like more than. Sometimes you build more than I do.
Why is Spider-Man in this box?
I don't know. I put him in there. This is my box of Legos. My friend's bullet, but no, he doesn't have to be in it. Can you put this in my toy box?
I'm gonna eat him in your toy box.
Don't. Please don't eat him. Don't. Yep, that's good. Yep. Thank a lot. Oh, mongoose.
That's a party. He just built that.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
I know.
Okay, Rick, can you please go back to watching TV, please?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that. But that's in your video. Here, my friend gave me one of his old life jacket. I've been using it for a bulletproof vest. If you guys don't know what a bulletproof vest is, just search it up on YouTube. You guys can find it. You guys can just search it up. Search anything you guys want. Search whatever comes to mind. Because you guys have a smart mind. That's a big brain. What?
You have to put your own peanut butter on for your
Sandwich?
yeah, for your
peanut butter.
bacon peanut butter sandwich.
Yeah. That sounds disgusting to you guys.
Yeah, but we never tried it, so we're trying it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to try something new.
We're trying it to see if it's good.
We're trying it. We're grinding it.
I thought you thought that it would be good.
Yeah.
You probably do think it's gonna be.
Yeah, because if it has peanut butter
It's a little pig.
to pig.
This isn't piggy. This isn't so piggy.
Yes, it is.
No, they're just like straight head, not like turned.
What kind of gold can pig?
Sure.
Okay, yep. Here's the little pig. I chose him.
I already
This
have
is a
my.
good one.
I already have my blue pig in there.
No, you don't. Well, look.
I do.
That's the one. That's literally the one. Alright, and then how about we not build anymore? Because you guys already got to see the whole tutorial of this. Why do I just stop showing my Lego? You guys know that it's a Lego.
You're right.
Yep.
Where's the pig?
I think I'll put him back in here.
White though. Yep. White.
Yep.
Are you ready for your? Wait,
Yes,
you're still
yes,
recording?
yes,
Are you
Ready
ready
for my
for your
food.
bacon and peanut butter sandwich?
yes. Okay, can you please get down to my room, please?
Okay.
I have something very cute to show you guys. The hat is so cute. Ugh. This one doesn't work anymore, but. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye.